Health insurance tips for freelancer and the self-employed. One of the greatest concerns for people considering freelance careers in health insurance coverage, especially if you grown accustomed to working for an employer who provides good coverage. The thought of becoming an independent contractor raises a big question. What are your healthcare options for yourself and your loved ones? If you think that freelancing means an end to your health insurance and high copays, think again. Getting health insurance as a freelancer is challenging, but it can be done. There are many options for health insurance for freelancer and at affordable premiums. Start with the Affordable Care Act. The Affordable Care Act ACA was passed in 2010. The law has three goals, but the one most people are probably familiar with is that it made affordable health insurance available to more people. As part of the Act, insurance exchanges or marketplaces were created to help consumers find the most affordable health insurance for them and their families. As a freelancer, you are likely eligible to purchase your health insurance through your state's insurance exchange. Essential benefits. The ACA required that very plan except very applicant regardless for pre-existing conditions, including pregnancy. This means you can no longer be denied coverage because of a medical condition such as asthma and diabetes, and coverage cannot be suspended as a result of such conditions. There are 10 required areas that all ACA plans must cover. This include outpatient care, emergency services, hospitalization, pregnancy, maternity and newborn care, mental health and substance abuse treatment include counseling and psychotherapy, pres- prescription drugs, rehabilitative services, lab services, preventive and wellness check, including chronic disease management, pediatric service which include oral and vision care. Addition, all ACA plans must offer the following benefits: birth control coverage, breastfeeding coverage. In condition to the above minimums, some ACA plans may offer additional benefits such as dental coverage, vision coverage, medical management program, for example, diabetes care.